You're not broke because you're lazy. You're not broke because you're unlucky. You're broke because no one ever showed you how money actually works and what it's quietly doing to your life every single day. I get it. You try to save, but then your friend texts, "Bro, let's eat out." And suddenly your wallet's on life support again. One swipe, one UPI tap, and poof, money's gone. And then the cycle repeats. You feel bad, you promise to change, and then there's a sale on sneakers. It's not just you. Most people are trapped in this loop. They wake up, check their phone, feel overwhelmed, spend to feel better, and then wonder why they're stuck. The real issue? We trade long-term peace for short-term pleasure. We chase comfort now, and it costs us freedom later. Here's the part nobody tells you. Money isn't just paper or numbers in your bank app. It's energy. It's time. It's the difference between building your dream life and staying stuck in someone else's. So let's break it down. If you're always broke, it's likely because of three things. 1, you spend before you save. 2, you don't track where your money goes. And 3, you treat money emotionally, not logically. Here's the fix. And no, you don't need a six-figure job. First, every time you get money, save 10% immediately. Before you touch it, make it automatic. Second, write down every rupee you spend for the next 7 days. You'll be shocked at how much disappears on small things. Third, ask yourself before every purchase, is this helping future me or just entertaining bored me? Start with these 3 habits. Just 3. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. And here's your challenge. Pick one thing, just one. Save 50 rupees today, track your expenses, or say no to one useless purchase. Do it right now. Seriously, pause the video and do it. Small steps are how people escape big holes. Being broke isn't permanent, but it will stay that way if you keep doing what broke people do. Change the pattern and you change your life. If this hits you even a little, drop a like or comment with the one thing you're changing today. Not for me, for you. Your future self is waiting. Don't leave them broke.